Hi everyone, it's Deb. I have a small haul from Softflex Company. I ordered their next kit, Nutcracker Design Challenge Kit. So it is called the Nutcracker, and they were having a special, which might have ended yesterday or today. I'm not sure. Check their website. But if you ordered $59 or more, you would get this Nutcracker strand free. So I did. Um, isn't this gorgeous? Great for the holidays. It's got brass and gold findings, which I'm not really a gold girl, but I do like it for the holidays with the greens and things. So there we have that. And that is called Nutcracker also. So that gives you a hint of some of the colors in here. And I have not opened this, but I will say I've read the description that came with it, and there are colors other than green. Just think what would be holiday colors. So there you go. And the wrapper's kind of a clue too. And then also I got these free. I don't remember why, or if they were just giving them with any order or what. I forget. These are ceramic skeleton beads, and the holes go through the shoulders. So something would have to be looped like wire or something through there to hang them. So I don't know. I'm not a big skeleton person. I'm not into Day of the Dead and all that stuff. So anyway, yeah. And then I did order these. This was $36.95, by the way. And if you would order this without getting it free, it's $11.99, I believe. These were $6.95. These are 11 by 12 millimeter quote unquote simple cut. They don't look simple to me. Simple cut style check glass beads in green. This is like an olive green, and you get 17 beads per strand. They're a big size, but I like that color because it goes with a lot of things. I don't know that I'll use it with Christmas stuff. I think this is more what I would use with spring designs kind of thing, with flowers and things. And then this color I love. It's like a topaz color. They call it orange, but I think it's more topaz. Oh, there it's coming across more orange. So I don't know. I guess it depends on the light. To my eye down here, it looks more topaz, but on the screen it definitely looks orange. Same thing, $6.95 a strand and 17 beads, and they are larger, 11 by 12 millimeter. And the cut is kind of unique. It's a cross between a round and almost like a pear shape, kind of, because these cuts kind of go in thinner on one end. I'll call it like a pear shape. That almost looks like a pear to me. I don't know. I don't know how to describe the cut exactly. It's different than any I've ever seen, and I would call it anything but simple. But yeah. And then I did order a mix that I hadn't previously gotten, but I love the colors in it. This was from their Customer Appreciation Week. They probably had a kit, or a month maybe. They probably had a kit also, but that's long gone, I'm sure. But I did get the Jesse James Design Elements mix. I like their design elements usually. So let me move these aside. I'm going to lay this all out, and I'll be right back to show you what's in it. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So here's everything that was in the Jesse James part of the Customer Appreciation Week from Softflex, the Design Elements bead mix. There's this beautiful boho style bead in like a tan. It's a little darker than ivory, but it has some iridescent bits to it. Really pretty. And I would call that brass or gold maybe. Anyway, there we go. And then these two large ceramic beads. They're different. They're interesting. And I would probably use them as focals on a necklace. I don't feel like I would wear that on a bracelet, because even if I did it like this, because it would clunk around too much, and I'd be afraid of ceramic on a bracelet. I don't know. That's just me. These gorgeous large beads, and these are more copper color, or I guess brass. I don't know. My eyes are not doing right by me. These look like copper color findings, and gold, copper and gold. So I'm going to go with antique copper. And yeah, they're hollow in the middle, but they have a beautiful swirly design. And then we have 2 faceted teardrops and these bead caps in the antique copper. Now, if you got the Spider Queen kit, they had these same bead caps but in black. So here we have 4 of them in like the antique copper. They're gorgeous, as are the teardrops. And these beautiful periwinkle, like AB faceted crystals. They're larger. They're probably 10 or 12 by, I'm going to go with like 8, or maybe it's like 10 by 12. I don't know. I don't have a little measuring thing here to do that right now. And then these beautiful faceted round flat coins. They're not flat though. They're like puffy on both sides. You see that? So they're not flat, but they are flatter than a regular round bead would be. So I consider them a puffy coin or faceted puffy coin. 2 of these scrolled antique copper spacer beads, I guess to call them, and they're like a flat oval, but they're also not entirely flat. They have a little dimension to them. The 4 bead caps I showed you, these crackle glass type beads in this beautiful periwinkle. These, I really love these. I'm not usually big in crackle glass, but this color, I love blue, but this color is just gorgeous, and it goes so well with everything in here. Love this one. That's why I bought it. And then we have these sparkly gold or brass, I'm not sure which, crystal or rhinestone. I think they're more crystals. I like these. I like these better than some of those rondelle things that we get, like these little ones here. Anyway, and these, I'm not sure if these are acrylic or glass, honestly, but round, nice round beads, like 8mm, and these are 6mm. I have seen these called miracle beads or fairy beads. They have a shimmer to them, like the color is tan, but then it has this, I don't know if that's a coating or if it's in the bead. Anyway, they're pretty, and they're like a tan with a shimmer. And then these smaller, they look like cat's eye to me. They have a stripe in them. I don't know if you're able to see that, like over here. Trying to put, no, there's one in the middle. You can see the stripes. And so I think they're like glass cat's eye beads. Really pretty. And they're nice and round. Sometimes cat's eye, for some reason, it can be lopsided, which is weird. These larger bead caps, I guess they would work on these, but honestly, I almost hate to cover up that beautiful color. And then we have these, which were more like a bronze or copper faceted crystals, and 6 daisy spacers. I think they're metal. I'm not positive. And then 8 of these tiny little rhinestone rondelles in gold with, I can't tell if that's clear or if it's like a green or blue. It might be blue in it actually, but they're so little I can barely see what color it is. I'm going to just say it's crystal. And it's blurry, I know, but anyway, you've seen them before in bigger sizes. Sometimes the larger ones, the rhinestones come out in the mix, but I do love to use them. I just don't like necessarily getting them in a mix because they get bumped around and sometimes the rhinestones come loose. So there you have it. This was the customer appreciation mix off the Softflex website. And I'm sure it was from like a month or 2 ago or something. I don't know. But they had some left, and I love the colors and the textures in this one, so I went for it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back on the November 30th. Actually, they'll be doing the reveal. And that, let me see, what is that, a Wednesday? Yeah, it's the last Wednesday in November. And that would have been my father's birthday. but he passed away years ago. So anyway, yeah, November 30th. So join me also, because after they do their reveal at Softflex YouTube and Facebook group, I will also do the reveal of this. But I'm probably going to pre-record it because I want to start working with it throughout November. All right, everyone, take care. Hugs, love, and peace. Please stay safe during this start of the holiday season. Yeah, that's all. Take care. Bye.